Alright, we have a Surface 1724. This one apparently has a short circuit. Power button. No idea. So I've just got it. Let's do a live repair on it. Plug in the charger. We get a white light. Power button. Nothing. Let's have a look on the inside. So you finish all the batteries, eh? Good. Okay. That's the original. What's that? CEX. Oh, look at that. You know CEX?
The brand?
No, the you want to buy and sell electronics
Yeah,
secondhand.
brand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
So,
don't like it.
so it looks like they've replaced the screen on this, or this is from there. Interesting. You don't like that company?
Nah,
Why?
I bought broken stuff.
You bought stuff that was supposed to be working. You mean?
Yeah.
Well, a lot of game stuff there, yeah, game related, or okay. So we need to access this. Okay, that's not it. What the hell? Okay. One, two, three. Okay, that's that. All four. And the battery. Police are here, man. Hide. Imagine they come. We need emergency laptop repairs, quick. Recover criminal data. What games do you play?
Shooting games.
Shooting. Oh yeah. As parents say, enough is enough. Get out of this. Stop playing games like that.
Nah, I don't even play anymore.
Oh, you don't as much, no?
Not anymore.
Okay. This is the cooling module. You know how you remove cooling from the other laptops?
Yep.
See, these are much thinner. See how I have to be really, really gentle and careful, not pull anything. Do good observations where the connections are. See, the tiny ribbon cable has two tiny holes. You gotta like gently pull it out. You can't be hard on these guys. Okay, that's the cooling module. Okay, the reason why we opened it, so there's no power, most likely a diode. Hopefully it's a diode. Will be an easy fix. If not, we're going to go down the rabbit hole. And I don't want to go in a rabbit hole. Come on.
Touching.
This is a metal plate, you see? And which is covering some important chips that we need to check what's going on. But the way they made it, oh come on.
Does that damage it?
Well, we are going to bend it a little bit. It's okay. If you know what you're doing, you're allowed to damage it. Yeah. If you don't know what you
Put it back.
later on, yeah. Hopefully that's that. So what we're going to do, bring our multimeter. So this is a window to electronics, this guy. So volts, let's see the voltage. Okay, so we got ground. Check these guys, diodes. No voltage, no voltage, no voltage, no voltage. Here, no voltage, no voltage. Literally no voltage from the battery. How about here? Ah, here we go, that's battery voltage. Okay. Oh, what was that? Okay, it's a battery voltage going in. Okay, let's check in diode mode, see if those diodes are good. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, easy one. Thank God I have an easy job. Is it easy? Let me check. So one of these two guys is gone. Maybe. Oh no. So that side nothing, this side. That's so weird. Why is this side blinking? This side? That's really weird, man. Okay, let me try again. Oh, it allows voltage only one way, that's why. Okay, our hopes of being a simple one is out of the question. Okay, no. Alright, so let's see which rail is shorted. Is... What's going on? Okay, this is something really strange. Let me just go back to voltage mode. This guy's alive. This motherboard is on. Nothing there. Nothing. 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 Okay, let's check the 3.3 and the 5 volts. Nothing. 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 Alright, so what we'll do, diode mode, these guys. Nothing. 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 Zero point zero 0.02. 0.00. Okay, that's just low resistance. We can ignore. We can ignore. Oh, let me check that resistance. That's fine. Yep. That's fine. That's also fine. That's also fine. The RAM is also good too. Okay, so our problem is deeper. Do we have voltage on the power button? Let's check that. First pin, nothing. Second pin, nothing. Third pin, yeah. The power button's there. See if it's working. I need a ground. Okay. Press the power button. That should drop. It didn't. How come? Pressing the power button, it's supposed to drop. How come it hasn't dropped? See, when I press this guy, it's supposed to drop down value, but it's not. Alright, how about we manually short it? Okay, here we go. We're gonna go into diode mode. There we go. We just shorted it. Any power? No. Connect the charger. We know if it's on if the USB light comes on. Okay. No, it still hasn't come on. Let's remove that button. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've shorted all of them. It still hasn't turned on. Okay. Check it again. This is really weird, man. This voltage doesn't make sense. Yeah, this is a bigger problem. Is it charging the battery? So no issues there. Why not? Let's try a different power button. I'm gonna go get another power. Here. Oh, be careful, be careful. Okay. So that's ours, that's theirs. Okay. So we're going to try a different power button and see what happens. Okay, that's in. Power light. Fixed it. Nah, kidding. Interesting, it turns on, then turns off. Let's plug in the fan just in case. Pressing the wrong button. Shit. Okay, this is a shitty one. So what we'll do, we'll have a look on the thermal cam, see what's going on. I think it's trying to boot. Okay, I don't think we need the fan, so I'm going to remove the fan. Yeah, it's 6:15. Going well. Oh shit, it's like getting hot. Ah, that's the battery charging circuitry. What's that? Is that a reflection? Oh, that's a reflection. Or something underneath getting hot. That's interesting. Let's have a look underneath that. Okay, the lid is removed. I'm gonna say that's a normal behavior. I'm gonna press the power button. Okay, nothing happening. Try here. Ah, shit. This may be an unfortunate one. Okay, let's remove the power cable. Try the internal battery to turn it on. That's the customer's data recovery, mate. No, I think it's got a PCH issue. I think we got a PCH issue on this, so probably a dead motherboard. That's the TPM module. Or maybe not. We'll isolate some of the components. Okay. Yeah, it's a very boring job, isn't it, Brian? Nothing to do. Well, look, you can go if you need to. I mean, it's already past 6. Yeah, I'll just finish this up and then go. All right, now, what do we do about this? Is it a case of PCH or something else? Best way to know, unfortunately, is to take this motherboard out. Let's do that. Have a quick look. Yeah, a customer called today about a Dell gaming laptop. You know the Alienware? Yeah, they might bring it if their company says okay for repair. Tomorrow. Okay, finally. Let's see what the hell is going on. Plug in our USB. Here we go, power. Boom. Okay, power button. Exactly same situation. Okay. So if it turns on and off, then the issue is at the later stage of the boot process. Could be a BIOS, could be the, where's that chip? Yeah, it could be that one. What we'll do, we're just going to have a look at it under the microscope, see if there's anything obvious. Have a quick look at microscope, cut that out. Okay. So visual inspection quickly. Okay, I remember there was a JTAG test points. Why don't we go straight to that? Okay, these guys here. And before that, just have another visual inspection on the other side, see if there's anything very obvious. Here we go. Okay, I don't see any obvious signs of damage. So let's quickly go and have a look at the test points. Okay. Nice, another customer made payment. Yes! Alright, I've got the schematics in front of me and I'm just going to go one at a time. And if you want to see the schematics, I'll just show you very quickly. How can I do this? I think it was that one. Yep. Yeah, basically this guy here. I'm just going to go all the way down and all the way up. And let's see which ones are ground, which ones are not. So example, this guy. XDP pin 1, XDP connector, so it's going to give us testing information for power good, power button, SMB data and all that. We're just going to do a quick check. Okay. Okay. And we're just going to go back to switch, microscope. We're in multimeter now. We're going to go into diode mode. Just check if any of them are short immediately. Okay. Yeah, you got a question? Yeah. Alright, so we're in continuity. Let's go have a look. I'll bring the diagram in front of me. So we should have ground, ground. Let me check. No, sorry. Okay, here we go. So that's not ground. Not ground. Next one is 7. That's ground. Okay. 9, 10, ground. So we can tell which is ground just by the way they look on the board. Pretty much nothing goes to ground here. Okay, let's find another test point. Any other J tags? Here we go. There's one at the bottom, which is going to be here. And these guys, for example, where did they go? Nothing, I can't see. So we shouldn't have ground for a while, so that's going to be ground. And ground will kick in towards the end. Okay. So we're leaning towards potentially a BIOS. Okay, let's do that and check this guy out. I want to check this guy because he plays an important role. Sometimes, oh, not him. Where's the other one? It's not here. Okay, let me check this guy too. Okay, pretty much nothing around him goes to ground. So let's confirm that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from there. So that's, is that really ground? Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is. VSSA sense. How come? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's also 1, 2, 3. Oh, what's that? VSS core sense. Let's check resistance here. Okay. Oh, that's 3 ohms. Okay. Check for. Wow, that's 1 ohms. Okay. Tough call on that one. So now I'm checking resistance. And that other one there quickly, what's the resistance of that pin number 5? Same, okay. Let's go back into diode mode. Quickly have a look at the other side. Okay, this one 003. Feels like a dead short, eh? Yeah. What's that one? Let me check. VSS GT Sense maybe. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, VSS GT Sense, which is similar to the other one. So I'm going to ignore for now. Okay. Very hard to say. Yeah, I wanted to check the Super IO here. Quickly just check him. Okay. Diode mode. Let's have a look. Looking around him. That's ground. That's ground normal. That's ground. Okay, we're leaning towards either a BIOS or something wrong with the PCH, one of the data lines. Okay, door to the board. You found what you're looking for, mate? Yeah, click and collect. And click and collect. Okay, I'm going to swap a BIOS over. It's for my Arduino board. Okay, there's a BIOS file there. Let's take him out. All done. It's a pin on the top right. Okay. 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 How many did you order, Brian?
Just two. So I got
Four
four altogether.
altogether?
Yeah.
Okay. That's power.
Had to
Okay. Brian, we fixed it.
Ah,
You want to see it?
sure.
It was a corrupted BIOS. Come, come on, man.
Any help?
Huh? No, just those little guys. Here we go. 1, 2, like Sesame Street. Okay, there we go. Okay, that, and here. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just connect the bare minimums, and then give the quote to the client because we haven't even told them what it will cost. Okay, we just want to see if it will work with all of their components in there. Sometimes it may not. SSD. And we need cooling. We don't want it to burn. Okay. Okay. And the screen. Here we go.
Should you have put this under it?
It's okay. But if you don't know what you're doing, you should put it here. Okay. So we just want to see a screen. Touch. Why not? Let's connect the touch too. Okay. Here we go. Moment of truth. Now their power button must be shit. Try one more time. Now it's on. Let's see. So we should see something already. It's currently on, but nothing. What does this mean? Hallelujah. Yeah, man, I like working on surfaces now. Let's see if it's gonna boot. Do your magic. Come on, give us a spindle. Yeah, look at that spindle. Cover the screen, privacy. Users data may show. Yep, there we go. OBS is so cool, the software. Come on. We're waiting for the Windows welcome page. Okay, it's done a reboot because of a hardware change due to BIOS. Maybe a serial number change. Normally you see a square. Unless this is like Windows 8. Oh, what's that? Okay. Come on, man. Don't scare us. This is good, better than before, at least. System update. Yeah, there we go. What happened was Microsoft released a Windows update which included a firmware update and it screwed itself up. Yeah, typical Microsoft. I mean, they manufacture this. They can't even do bug testing properly. So you update your computer and you get this problem. Yeah, I'll give a quotation. Yeah, that's fine, mate. You can go, yeah. Thank you. All right, I'll see you on Monday. Yep, you got everything? All right, take care. All right, I'll give a quote to the client, see what they want to do. We'll call this job 13. Okay, that's doing its flashy updates. We'll just let it load. Was this a 17? Yeah, 1724, yeah. Okay, we're still waiting. Yes, we're in. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.